Thanks for coming to Circle Time today. Guess what? Today is our last Circle Time of the year. After today, school is all done and it's time for summer. I hope you guys have a great summer. I'm going to miss you. Let's start our Circle Time with our hello song. Ready? Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Great job. Okay, let's sing our days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, let's get ready to do our months dance. Everybody stand up. Ready? January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December, 12 months of the year. Woo, woo! Great job. Okay, it's time to count all the way to the very last day of school. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and today is number 26. Great job, friends. Today is our last day of school. It is Friday, June 26th. Okay, let's get our alligators out. Ready? See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick. Chip, 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 chip. Not so soon, baboon. Ooh, 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 ooh. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done. Now it's time for play. Bye, friends. Have a great summer. I'm going to miss you.